See, we got the two patches welded in, a new piece made. Just need to cut the foam rubber to fit around. Got the caulk sealer. This is bad up in this corner, but I'm not worried about it. Just trying to get some of these holes fixed. So these are plated and welded. This one we only fiberglassed, or tiger hair, I'm sorry. And then this has got a plate going up underneath inside the cowl drain, and then it's fiberglassed or tiger haired from the top side and then seam sealed. So we're hoping that will stop the majority of the water from coming in. You see, put a little tiger hair there too. And then you can see where the tar is coming through. This is the tiger hair. If the car was in better shape, I would, pull stuff like this out, move the speedometer cable and cut it out, weld metal in. But we're getting the majority of the structure with metal welded in. We're placing it where it really needs it. In other places we're just kind of just fixing with the tiger hair. But the majority of it's going to have patches. Then when we get around to doing this stuff, this will have the new frame rail put in. This will get cut out. This will get a new piece welded in, stuff like that. So it's not like we're cutting corners everywhere. There's certain areas that, are structural. But it's just doing what we can with what we have at the time, at the moment.